In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Docs when it's not working or when you're encountering formatting issues. These problems can be frustrating, but with some simple troubleshooting steps, we can get you back on track. First, let's address the basic fixes. Since Google Docs is a cloud-based application, it heavily relies on a stable internet connection. If your connection is weak or unstable, it might cause issues while trying to save or edit documents, so make sure your internet is working properly before you do anything else. If you're still having trouble, consider switching your web browser. Google Docs works most seamlessly with Google Chrome, so if you're currently using a different browser like Safari, Firefox, or Edge, give Chrome a try. Additionally, keeping your browser updated is crucial, as outdated versions can lead to compatibility issues with Docs. If your browser is up to date and you're still encountering problems, try restarting your computer or mobile device. Sometimes this can clear up temporary glitches that might be affecting your experience. Moving on to tackling formatting issues, let's start with some quick fixes. If you notice that your text formatting seems off, you can clear the formatting by highlighting the text and going to Format in the menu and selecting Clear Formatting. Alternatively, on Windows, you can press Ctrl+L, and on Mac, use CMD++. Another tip is to paste without formatting using Ctrl+Shift+V on Windows or CMD+Shift+V on Mac, which can prevent unwanted style changes from affecting your document when you're copying text from elsewhere. Additionally, double-check the page setup by going to File and then Page Setup. This is where you can look over your margins, orientation, and paper size, making sure everything aligns with your preferences. Sometimes, document styles might also be causing trouble. To fix this, apply the normal text style or use designated heading styles instead of random fonts, which ensures consistency across your document. If these steps haven't helped, it's time to do some browser troubleshooting. Clear your browser's cache and cookies by navigating to Settings, Privacy, and then selecting Clear Browsing Data. Also, consider disabling any extensions that might interfere with Google Docs, such as ad blockers or grammar tools. You can test this by opening an incognito window and checking if the issue persists. Next, if Google Docs isn't saving your document or syncing properly, you might be experiencing issues related to offline mode. Head to Google Docs Home, click on Settings, and ensure you've turned on offline mode. This can allow you to work without an internet connection, and your file should sync once the internet is stable again. For more advanced troubleshooting, it might be worthwhile to check Google Workspace's status on their status dashboard, as occasional outages can affect Google Docs performance. Lastly, as a workaround, you can export your document as a .docx or .rtf and re-import it into Google Docs, which sometimes resolves persistent issues. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix any problems with Google Docs not working or with documents